Bowlounter class, wiring and switch operation of robot body. First, firmly tighten the 4 screws at the bottom of the robot. Open the crimp contacts protection cover. Connect the heavy load connecting line to robot. Screw in and fix it. Complete the connection between the robot and the control cabinet. Next, insert teaching pendant connection cable into the teaching pendant connector on the upper right side of the back of the control cabinet and tighten it. Then connect the control cabinet's earth wire, lev wire, and neutral wire to the corresponding circuit in turn. The connection between the robot and teaching pendant and the control cabinet is completed. Upward open the control cabinet switch. Wait for the teaching pendant to start and perform the home point resetting operation. Check whether the 0 scale lines at the joints of each axis of the robot correspond to each other. After checking, the robot can be used normally. Above is the Bowlounter class, wiring and switch operation of robot body. Any questions about the content? Welcome to ask questions in the comments. Follow me for more technical information.